Hey, I'm the Kirby, the Australian Latte Art Champion for 2011. I'm going to run you through a pattern today, which is the elephant. We're going to do a little bit of etching involved, so we're going to be using some tools, so whether that be a toothpick, a bamboo stick, or the end of your thermometer. Just make sure that we wipe off in between. That's really important. So we might get started on that now. For the elephant, we're going to pour the rosetta first. Then we're going to use our etching stick to outline the trunk. And the ears. And then we're going to draw on the eyes, making sure that we're wiping in between. And then a little bindi to finish. And there's your elephant.